Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, transparent rectangle box appears above the taskbar in Windows 11 screen. First method is click Start, Settings, click Personalization, click Taskbar, turn off Task View. Second method is right-click Start button, click Task Manager. Select Windows Explorer, click Restart. Third method is right-click Start button, click Task Manager. Click Services tab, right-click Mini Search Host.exe, click End Process. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.